I am going to show you exactly how to work it joined rounds, step by step, so your projects look neat. In this same video, I'll explain how to make increases so that you can be able to make any size of circle. We will start by making a magic ring. Use any method that is more comfortable for you. I'll show you mine. Right now, we have chain 1 on our ring, and we shall go ahead and place 6 single crochet stitches into the ring. I will recommend that you always mark your first stitch with a stitch marker. This helps you to know where to slip stitch easily. Continue working and I'll meet you at the end of the round. Go ahead and pull the tail to close the ring. And then to close the round, insert your hook into the first stitch. Take out your stitch marker so that you can insert the hook. Yarn over, pull through, and pull through again. That is your slip stitch join. Let's proceed to round 2 of the circle. Now chain 1. For this entire video, chain 1 does not count as a stitch. In this round, we will increase in every stitch, and that means placing 2 single crochets in each stitch around. The first 2 single crochets should be in the same stitch where you chained 1. Remember to mark your first stitch. Continue working and I'll meet you at the end of the round. You should have a total of 12 stitches. From this round onwards, after making your last stitch, I advise that you mark it with a stitch marker. It's very easy to make a mistake of placing a stitch in the chain 1. So again, close the round by slip stitching into the first stitch. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to increase up to round 4. And at the end of this video, I will tell you what mistakes to avoid so that you have perfect circles. To proceed to round 3, chain 1. Make 1 single crochet in the same stitch as the chain 1. Then we shall make an increase in the next stitch. So the repeat for the entire round will be 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Continue to do the same and I'll meet you at the end of the round. Slip stitch to join. You should have a total of 24 stitches. Slip stitch to join. So if you want to make a bigger circle, for the 5th round, work 3 single crochets, then make an increase in the 4th, and that will be the repeat for the entire round. Please check the description or comment section for more information on increases. Once you look at the written instruction, you'll be able to figure out the flow. Let's talk about the common beginner mistakes to avoid. One is slip stitching into the chain instead of the first stitch. Another mistake is pulling the slip stitch too tight. This can cause your seam to wrinkle. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and leave a comment. Please look out for my upcoming video on how to crochet in continuous rounds. Thank you for watching.